Crypto.com has the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency app and currently offers more than 250 cryptocurrencies to over 10 million customers worldwide. They also service users in more than 90 countries with a unique suite of cryptocurrency related products and services. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get $25 in free Crypto.com tokens, and we're also going to be doing a massive bonus giveaway and sharing big news and updates that you're not going to want to miss. So if you want your portfolio to turn around and start inflating back towards the upside, I need your help by inflating the like button to a new all-time high. If we get this video to 1,500 likes, I will give away an additional $1,500 worth of cryptocurrency. So let's inflate that like button and let's get started. And a special shout out to the Crypto.com team for sponsoring today's video. And please understand this is not financial advice. You need to do your own research and you should never risk more than you can afford to lose with crypto. All right, let's dive right into today's video. Now, before I share with you massive news and updates with Crypto.com that you're not going to want to miss out on, let me share with you how you can get some awesome merchandise absolutely free. We're doing a giveaway because a few videos ago, since everyone inflated that like button to 1,000 likes within the first 24 hours, here is the giveaway that we're going to be doing. And we're also going to be doing another massive giveaway next week. So make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every single day when we make our new videos here on YouTube and post them at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. Now, to enter our giveaway, make sure to click the links down below and follow me over on my verified Twitter at Joe Parys. The links are down below. We will have the entire viral sweep form here for you. And I will also be posting here in my Instagram stories. And make sure to check out the Instagram highlight stories because I am answering a lot of your questions in real time. And if you do have any questions to ask me, all you have to do is type them in right here, and then I will be answering the questions and posting them in the highlights so that everyone can come back and watch them so that you can get your answers in a very timely manner. Now, of course, I won't be able to answer everyone's questions. This is a great way for me to receive feedback and also help you out if you have any questions. Now, once you do, click the links down below for the giveaway. This is where you're going to have to enter in your name, email address, as well as your home address so that we can actually send you the swag. Make sure to then share with us where you live and then click enter the giveaway. Now, once you enter the giveaway, you will gain points based upon how many of the tasks you end up doing. If you are a new CRO user or have used my referral code, you'll get $25 absolutely free in CRO token, and you'll also gain some extra bonus points for doing this as well. Also, the more people that you refer, this is where you're going to gain the most points, and make sure to follow all the other social media to gain as many points as you can here for the giveaway. And right now, at the time of this recording, there's only 2 days left, so make sure to click the links down below for your chance to win some sweet swag, as well as getting your free $25 in CRO tokens. We're going to be giving away a t-shirt, a hoodie, a hat, a travel pack, and we may even have a few other bonus items. So make sure you're following all my social medias as we will be posting the winners in the next couple of days. But now let's talk about some major updates with Crypto.com and why I have even more conviction with this cryptocurrency now more than ever before. According to Watcher News, Crypto.com got a data privacy boost with SOC 2 Type 2 certification. Now, unfortunately, the cryptocurrency industry has been prey to various scams and hacks, but Crypto.com takes it absolutely seriously that you do not fall victim to any of these wrongdoings. It should be noted that the SOC Type 2 report highlights how a firm safeguards its customer data while evaluating how those controls operate. And another way for you to secure your cryptocurrency with Crypto.com is with their DeFi wallet. Now, their DeFi wallet is a non-custodial wallet that gives you access to the full suite of DeFi services all in one place. And what's really cool is that you can simply download this on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, and this is where you'll own your own keys with your own passphrase, giving you even more control of your cryptocurrency. Now, with the DeFi app, you're also able to earn rebates on over 25 tokens, including CRO, VVS, Tonic, Atom, and a host of other stablecoins. You'll also be able to deposit your own NFTs and view them in their seamless app. And if you want to swap in and out of cryptocurrency coins, they have an amazing swap feature that works very similar to either PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Right now, they have more than 300 different tokens across multiple chains, including Ethereum, Cronos, Cosmos, and many others. And what I really like about this DeFi app is that you're able to work and trade cryptocurrencies out of their regular app if you've just downloaded their regular app. But with the DeFi wallet, you gain control of your crypto and your keys, as I've mentioned, and you're easily able to manage over 700 plus tokens across 15 different blockchains. Also be able to import your existing wallet seamlessly with either a 12, 18, or 24 world recovery phase. Now, what I also like about this is that you can download it directly to your computer. You can see here, this is the wallet extension here on the Chrome web browser. All you would need to do is add it to your wallet, just like MetaMask and a lot of these other cryptocurrency extension wallets. And with decentralized finance becoming even more popular, Crypto.com is at the forefront of this movement, giving you the control back of your cryptocurrency and making a very nice, easy to use interface. I think CRO and its CRO token are set to explode. Here's why. CRO is called Cronos, and the Cronos token acts very similarly to BNB or the Binance token. In order to swap, make transfers, you will need to hold some CRO tokens in your DeFi wallet, just like you need to hold some BNB tokens in your MetaMask or other wallet to use the Binance Smart Chain. From there, they will take a percentage fee in order for you to make trades and transactions. But the Cronos chain is starting to grow with more projects coming and building on it, and the fact that Cronos is the first blockchain network that interprets both Ethereum and Cosmos ecosystems, I personally believe in this ecosystem and think that more people are going to be transacting, making trades, and also getting into new dApps and buying new cryptocurrencies over on this chain. This is going to suck up a lot of liquidity because people are going to need to buy the Cronos token in order to make the transactions. And also, they're going to be willing to hold this so that they can make transactions in the future. And the fact that the Cronos token has a ton of utility between the cryptocurrency debit cards, Crypto.com Pay, and the chain, new staking features where you can stake your CRO and earn up to 10% passively on the Crypto.com exchange, as well as a DeFi wallet. You'll also get discounted trading fees and so many other use cases. This is why I think that this cryptocurrency could be a sleeping gem that not a lot of people are talking about right now, but I do think has massive potential. And I'm not the only one that believes in Crypto.com long term. The CEO just went on CNBC and he said that he believes the cryptocurrency industry will come back very strong. So let's hear what Chris, the CEO, had to say.
I'm just wondering, I want to get a sense from you what the recovery will look like, and are we going to see the big jumps that we saw in 2021?
We just believe that eventually markets will find its bottom, and cryptocurrency is going to come back really strong because of the fundamental utility of the technology and how it can change the world for better. So we remain extremely well positioned to be one of the companies that during this downturn, strengthen their position, get more market share, and be ready for the bounce.
And speaking of believing in cryptocurrency, Crypto.com certainly believes in the long-term vision of crypto, not just for today, but for many years to come. In fact, they are doing some major renovations to the new Crypto.com arena. So let's hear even more about the renovations and what is going to be happening to this iconic stadium.
We're so excited to be here and to announce the reimagining of Crypto.com arena. Every level, every entrance, even out to our plaza at Xbox Live was going to be renovated. And so we're really excited to be here.
And why are you doing this now?
We are doing this now because, we realized we actually had this plan for years, and then there was a thing called the pandemic. So we had to put those plans on pause, but we're really doing this for our guests and for our fans. So it's really about them and enhancing the guest experience and making it so that this iconic venue continues to be part of the fabric of Los Angeles for years to come.
And so Crypto.com arena getting this upgrade and facelift, but what are some of the different experiences that guests are now going to have at the new and improved arena?
Yeah. So this 3-year project is already underway, and coming this fall, you'll see new renovated spaces such as an Impact Sports Bar and Grill, which I think we're seeing right now, a new Chairman's Club, and a refresh to our 3 suite levels, including our VIP entrances. All of our fans are going to be able to enjoy 2 new huge LED screens and 3 levels of 360-degree LED ribbon boards visible both to the upper and lower level seating areas, keeping fans engaged and part of the action while enjoying upgrades to our sound and lighting packages. In future phases, we'll also introduce new spaces such as our 2-level tunnel club, offering guests a unique view of players taking the court or the ice, and a new remastered City View Terrace, which is one of my favorite projects, bringing the outside in with sweeping LA skyline views to the north, making it a memorable place to enjoy good food, good drinks, good company in an extraordinary location. We couldn't be more excited to bring this to the fans of Los Angeles and around the world.
So if you're excited to see even more updates with Crypto.com, get some free swag and everything else that's happening with their entire ecosystem and their project, make sure to inflate the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, as we will be doing a lot of updates with Crypto.com as well as the rest of the entire cryptocurrency industry. Also, click the links down below. Join our absolutely free giveaway to get some amazing swag and get yourself some free Cronos tokens so that you can start your journey with Crypto.com today. As it says right here on the website, fortune certainly does favor the brave. And with the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency app right here, right now for you with Crypto.com, I think today is an opportunity for you to learn, to grow, and to try some new things absolutely free. And that is my mission and goal here on this channel, to educate you, to share with you opportunities that could potentially be life-changing for you, because I know firsthand cryptocurrency has changed my life forever. You can see that cryptocurrency has allowed me the freedom to travel the world and to be my own boss and share some incredible lifestyle experiences with all of you here on all my different social medias. So make sure you are staying here and following only the official links, which will be linked down below in the description for you, so that you can take advantage of this massive opportunity and join us on this incredible journey that we are all here together with, growing, learning, and also doing a lot more here with cryptocurrency. Thanks again for watching today's video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, click the links down below for your free cryptocurrency opportunities and our massive giveaway, and I can't wait to see you in our next videos. If you want to continue learning with me here on YouTube for free, check out my cryptocurrency playlist. I have multiple 100x gem videos, 3 coins to 3 million, educational tutorials, and so much more. And make sure to check out the next video. I handpicked it just for you.